Have you connected your email up to HubSpot, but you're finding that some confidential emails are being logged in the system, or emails that you're sending between colleagues are all being logged and adding in contact records when you don't want them? Watch this HubSpot in a flash video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make sure that the emails that you don't want logged aren't going to be logged. Okay, so what we do then is we go across to our settings. This is up the top here. So I'm going to hit the settings cog, and there's two places where I can make a change. So the first place is globally. So this means that whatever I set here, it's going to be the same for every users. So what you're probably going to want to do is put your internal domain name in there. So if we go down to objects and then activities, and you can see here you've got two tabs, one for meetings and one for email login. So I hit the email login, and quite simply this area here, this never log email, I can hit add email or domain, and as you can see here I've hit asterisk include. So that means that any email addresses that are sent backwards and forwards between colleagues to internal to include.com email addresses, which is our company, they're not going to be logged. Okay, so that's how you do it on a global basis. Now each individual also has the option to do this. So for example, if you were the managing director and you were emailing your HR consultant, you perhaps don't want those emails logged in HubSpot where other members of the team can see them. So what we would do is go across to general, and we go to email, and we have the same option down here to never log, but this time it's only going to be for you. So I would just hit add email address, and I might want to put in my accountant at accountsname.com, whatever your accountant's email address is, and you would save that. So any emails that you sent to that email address would not be logged in the system. So if that's helped you, what I'd like you to do is hit the thumbs up, hit the like, and perhaps subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified on any other content that we publish.